Encountering the number not eligible for transfer message when trying to switch to T-Mobile can be frustrating. This usually boils down to a few key reasons related to your current carrier account. First, ensure your account is active and in good standing. This means no outstanding bills, unpaid charges, or disputes. Billing issues are a primary cause of porting failures. Second, confirm that the number you're trying to transfer is indeed portable. Generally, active mobile numbers are, while some landlines might not be. Finally, make sure your account has been active for at least 30 days, as some plans require this tenure before a port is allowed. Once you've confirmed basic eligibility, focus on the two most common culprits: PIN mismatches and billing problems. Obtain your porting PIN from your current carrier. This is crucial for authorizing the transfer. This PIN is different from your account password and is specifically used for porting. Double-check that you've entered it correctly on T-Mobile's side. For billing issues, contact your current carrier to resolve any outstanding balances or disputes. T-Mobile mandates full payment before approving the transfer. If you've recently paid a bill, allow a few days for the payment to process fully. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support. They can often provide more specific details about the reason for the ineligibility and guide you toward a solution.